Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your bad Piggies app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. And just click on settings, it's going to show for your list like this. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. You come to apps list here, and there you're looking for bad Piggies app, or just click on search here. So then here add bad Piggies app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on for stop, you click here on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. You come to storage here, then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.